Hello everyone, this is lovely Sandy Chavez, the Queen of Heart in America. Mga kababayan, good news po, eto na uli ang mga balikbayan box na galing po dito from Jacksonville, Florida, USA. Uuwi na po dyan in Luzon, Visaya, and Mindanao, Philippines. To all my sponsors and donors, again, thank you so much for giving your love, care, most of all, for sharing your blessing to most people who are in need around our country. Mga kababayan in the Philippines and of course mga admin ko, hoping ma-enjoy niyo ito at isi-share po natin sa ating mga kababayan. Again, pagtatanggapin niyo po ito is wala po kayong babayaran kahit 2 piso. Ang sarap pong makatulong mga kaibigan. Talaga naman pong God is truly amazing. Mahal na poong Nazareno, maraming salamat po sa inyong patnubay. Pit Senior Santo Niño, salamat po sa inyong palaging protection at pag-guide niyo sa akin. And to all my friends, neighbors, and of course, Prince of Heart Aries as well. Retired United States Navy Alandrada, thank you so much for your help, for your extra effort to help me, to help this, para ma-box at maipadala sa Pilipinas. Everybody, mabuhay po. Enjoyin niyo po ito. Maraming salamat muli. Ito ay pan 362 balikbayan box na ipadala namin. God bless, mabuhay, Ponggaven!